What's up, guys? We're in the middle of the lake right now. We're on a 10-mile journey of kayaking. It is crazy. It's the longest kayaking trip I ever done. What is up, guys? What a background behind me. But I told you guys that I would do a pretty long kayaking trip, and I kept my word. Woo! So this is the beginning of the 10-mile kayaking trip. We're 3 miles in, guys. It is 8:25 a.m. on this lovely Friday. Good weather condition. Not too windy, but the wind has picked up since we started the journey. It's about 5 miles per hour, 4 miles per hour. Let's go. I would say we're about 3.5 miles in, and it is 9 o'clock. Guys, I'm 3 hours in, just about like 5 minutes, and I'm about 4.5 miles into the trip. 6.5 miles to go. Let's go. The wind has picked up a little bit. It's about 7 miles per hour, I would say. And it's getting a little tougher. The current flow is faster because I'm going into bigger opening water. We're about 5.5 miles in, 5.5 to 6. We're almost done about. What's up, guys? We're in the middle of the lake right now. We're on a 10-mile journey of kayaking. It is crazy. It's the longest kayaking trip I ever done. We're about to stop for lunch. Now let's try again. We're about to stop for lunch at an island and eat some of my tuna because I'm hungry. Just got done with my lunch. We're almost done, but we're close. Just right behind me, that highway over there. So, done with our lunch, and we'll hit the water. Let's go. Our destination is right up there. Right over there. I'm not gonna lie, I got a little sunburnt today. I mean, I was in the sun since 7 a.m. this morning. So, about 5 hours now. Mile marker is right there, boys and girls. That dot right there is a mile marker for 10 miles. Let's go. Guys, we made it 10 miles. 10 miles. It's a long ways. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video.